Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for a cracking weekend. Today, this is your freebie. Very sweet, very lovable. It's for Valentine's, of course. So it's a background full of hearts. Now, I always think, me and Jamie do not celebrate Valentine's Day. I found it very cringe. We try to celebrate each other every day. Sometimes he gets on my nerves and I get on his nerves, so it's mutual. But we don't do anything on Valentine's because I just do not agree with that. And also, Valentine's for me is about celebrating the love to friends and family and everybody that has a special place in your heart. And I believe it's got to be done every day of the year, really. Appreciation. Life is too short, so you don't know what's around the corner. So, having said that, the freebie that I'm giving you today has been designed for my very popular digital papers. Now, these papers get bought around Valentine's. I have this on my website 365 days a year. Okay, this kit is always on my website. I do not take it down. And you will see a spike on sale just around this time, and I appreciate that. So to be fair, that was kind of the reason why this kit was designed. So I'm just going to give you a really quick flip through. It's a Valentine's, of course. It's full of hearts and flowers. Okay, so you've got background, you've got ephemera, you've got a gift box. Now this one, when you do it up, and I'll show you, I think I got it near, it's on my desk. It looks like this. Okay, so it's a milk carton box. So you've got your 4 squares and you've got your 2 triangle pieces, which is the 2 side ones. And then those 2 are those one. And then the strip on top is the closure. Okay, and then those 2 are the bases. So it's quite versatile. It's very big. This kit is huge, got loads of pages, so you get loads of things. You also get like tags, plain, and with some flowers and hearts. So you get 5 same size of 2 larges. You get another page with the ephemera. Then you get 2 pillow boxes. Again, I've done all the hard work for you. You just need to put the name, just put some sweets or chocolate, or even like a love letter, anything that you want. If you're a journal lover, you can use this page for your journals. And then I'll give you some embellishments. So you've got some plain doilies, some more hearts that you can layer on top, some more plain background with the hearts, some more of this with the like a not like, I want to say more like an artistic watercolor background, some more of these in pink, and some more hearts. Okay, so it's a very, very, very big kit. It's a loads of pages. So as usual, guys, 2 ways to get this freebie here. So every Friday, if you watch my videos religiously, you are fully aware of this. Every Friday, 9 p.m. British time, I send out a newsletter, and I will put what the newsletter looks here on the screen. It's basically an email with the recap videos of the week. There are the papers of the week, and there is also always a cheeky discount code for you guys if you wish to treat yourself or somebody else, because now I put some gift cards on my website. So if you wish to do a little gift for your friends, use the gift card and they will receive a value, and they can purchase anything on my website with the amount that you chosen. So that, by the time you watch the video, the newsletter will already be sent out. Okay, so if you go to my Facebook group, and everything is linked down below, you will be able to click on files and download all my archive of freebies. It's about like 300. Let me show you where. Okay, guys, so this is my Facebook group. You can see the banner here, AntonioMakes.com, and there is 2 lovely a lady and a gentleman on the background. So you will need to send an invite, and of course I will approve your membership, of course. So in here you will see all my videos that I have shared. Of course, this is me, but also Aber all different creations, just some lovely projects from other different crafters, just to give some ideas. If you look on recent media, you click on see all and you see them all, etc, etc. But to find a freebie, so as I said, this is the main page. So if you click on files, ta-da! So these are all my freebies in alphabetical orders. Okay, and in here you find all my free advent calendars from 2024 for December. I merged them all together, and you see the individual file here. But if you keep scrolling down, you see there are freebies, tons and tons of freebies to download. Happy crafting. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget 2 steps. Register to my newsletter so you get next week's freebie straight into your email address and you don't have to do anything. And join my Facebook group so you can interact with us, share your project, get freebies, and just be part of a really nice community, I guess. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like my videos. As I said, please tell YouTube that you like what I make, because the algorithm is going really bad. So any interaction that you guys have with me is always much appreciated. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.